How to import Google Contacts to Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import Google Contacts to Android. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step. What you'll need to do to import the Google Contacts is locate your Settings app. Tap on Settings. And after you're on your settings, what you'll then need to do is go to the Google option. Scroll down, you'll find the Google option right there. Tap on it. After you're there, you will find multiple options. What you'll need to do is you can scroll down, and if you find the Google Contacts option, be all good. If not, tap on the All Services option right here. Then after you're here, scroll down, and after you scroll down, you'll find the Backup and Restore option, where you'll find Google Contacts Sync. Tap on that. What you can do is tap on the Status option, then turn on Google Contacts Sync, like it's turned on in mine, and after you do that, this syncs your contacts automatically. And you can also add another Google account and sync that as well. And yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you import Google Contacts to Android. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.